Nova Bio. Today we will be discussing about PCR. So this will be a series about PCR, a quick revision to whatever you have understood so far. So PCR basically divided into two types, conventional PCR and real-time PCR. Now the components which are important in PCR are primers, DNTPs, DNA as a template, magnesium ion, tag polymerase, nucleus-free water or double distilled water, and TE buffer. Now, what reaction we have learnt about PCR so far is it is divided into denaturation, annealing, and extension. So, what happens exactly? Denaturation. So, as you can see in denaturation, a double-stranded DNA gets denatured and forms single strand. After that, forward primer and reverse primer binds, and the last step is extension. So as you can see, it is extended from this end to this end, and it is extended from this end to this end. So all this happens in your PCR reaction. Now the technique was developed by Carey-Mullis in 1983, and he got a Nobel Prize in chemistry for the same in 1993. So this was discovered by Carey-Mullis in USA. So this was about introduction of PCR. In the subsequent video, we will see how PCR works and how to set up a reaction. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.